Hello everybody! Last time we installed Magento 2, but if we want to develop something, we need some products to work with. We can either create some products in the admin, or we can install sample data that comes with Magento. We can use a command line utility where we can use this command sample data deploy. And if we run this, okay, here I need my authentication to Magento.com. So here will go my public key and here will go my private key. Now it will start installing the sample data, which consists of products and some other configuration. We can store this inside my computer, and sample data are installing at the moment. Okay, our sample data are installed, and let's refresh the home page. We should see some products on this page now. Okay, maybe I can clear the cache. Let's try one more time. Okay, so the reason why we don't see any products here is that is because we actually need to upgrade our setup first with bin Magento setup upgrade. This task goes over all the installed modules and runs installation script that is written inside these modules, and it should actually create database records with all our categories, products, customers, and all other sample data. We got error, which sometimes happens with these kinds of big software packages as Magento is. But if we run into a problem like this, we can check out this URL and see what they write about it. And they actually write that we can set up, we can increase the memory limit to some higher value, like 2 GB or unlimited. So let's go to our PHP ini configuration file. Let's find memory limit, comment this out and copy this. I want to comment it out just for future, just to make it possible to go back to the initial value very easily. Save this file. Now I also have to rerun Apache or restart Apache. So let's restart the web server. And let's try to reset the sample data again and upgrade. Hopefully this time it will finally work. We'll see in a while. Okay, this time it finished correctly, and refresh the home page. Finally, it's a success and we see our sample data. We can click on some product and it should lead us to a page with the detail of the product. One more thing I will do is to set up some explicit configuration, set up some explicit memory limit because I don't want it to be unlimited, but let's say 2 gigabytes should be fine. So let's restart the Apache web server one more time to reflect this change. So this is it. In this video, together we installed a sample data for our Magento installation, and we also solved one of the problems that might occur during the installation. Now we have everything we need, and we can start programming our first Magento 2 module.